Hey guys, I hear a helicopter. I hear a helicopter, you guys. Where? Where? Over here. Over here, you guys. There we go. There we go. There we go. It was the blue and white one, you guys. It was right there. Right there. Hi, you guys. I found you my old camera, you guys. I found my old camera, and my landlord, she is so sweet. She said she would go pick up a memory card for me. I found Maya. She's gonna give me a memory card, you guys. So I might have a camera going on today. The battery's working, everything back from 2003. They still work. I just don't have a memory card. Here's Elephant. You're gonna take some real pictures now. This is good. God bless you guys.